chain drives, which represent 80% of the openers purchased each year, belt drives, which provide whisper-quiet operation, and screw drives. Chain drives are popular for their durability and dependability. It's a simple mechanism and gives long service life. LiftMaster chain drives feature gear reduction for positive locking. The one-piece rail is pre-assembled for a neater and faster installation. The LiftMaster Formula One Whisper Drive garage door operator is the ultimate drive system for garage doors. Designed for the customer who wants the best in belt drives, its steel-reinforced belt provides exceptional quiet and long life. LiftMaster screw drive models offer exclusive features that consumers want. The drive screw is encased in a permanently lubricated, wear-resistant channel for low maintenance and longer operational life. This ultra-high molecular weight, low-friction rail liner eliminates the need for lubrication for the life of the operator. The exclusive Posi-Lock security system assures that the door is closed to prevent unauthorized entry. All LiftMaster remote controls feature unbreakable computer-programmed security codes, factory set to one of 3.5 billion codes, never to be repeated. The exclusive Smart Garage Door Opener feature uses the operator's microprocessor control to allow you to program a new code from the multifunction control panel. Operators with the keyless entry feature can be reprogrammed from the keyless entry. Safety is a major customer concern and an important responsibility for you as the installer. Safety is important to LiftMaster. That's why all LiftMasters feature several redundant safety features. All LiftMaster operators feature the Protector system. This exclusive safety system uses an infrared beam. It automatically reverses the door if anything interrupts the infrared beam when the door is closing, without touching the object which broke the beam. Testing the Protector system is required with every installation. LiftMaster garage door operators use several other redundant safety systems as well. The push button provides a manual safety function. Pressing the push button when the door is moving in the down direction reverses its direction. Pushing the button when the door is moving in the up direction stops it. Next, there is an automatic safety reverse automatic door stop. This mechanism reverses the door automatically if an obstruction is encountered as the door is being closed, and stops the door if an obstruction is encountered as the door is being opened. Finally, as an added safety feature, the solid-state logic control will allow the motor to run for a maximum of 27 seconds before reversing in the down direction or turning off in the up direction. To understand how all these systems work together, let's see what happens during the operation of a garage door opener. The operator is activated using a remote control, keyless entry pad, multifunction panel, or push button. When the operator reaches the end of travel, the limit is activated by a limit contact, which causes the circuit to ground, shutting the motor off. Limit adjustment screws are independent and can be adjusted by a screwdriver in very small increments. One revolution equals approximately 2 inches of travel. The light delay is electronically timed from the logic chip and will remain on for 4.5 minutes. The door force is regulated by adjustment controls on the receiver logic board. The adjustments are independent in both the up and down directions of travel. The automatic obstruction sensing device automatically reverses the door moving in the down direction and stops it in the up direction. The Protector system is also controlled by the logic board. A manual release with an auto reconnect and lockout feature has been provided to operate the door in the event of a power failure or emergency. Now that we're familiar with the components and relationships of the operating system, let's look at the doors. Just as there are three basic types of garage door openers, there are three types of residential garage doors. Some may be more popular in your part of the country than others. They are sectional doors, one piece without track, and one piece with track. We'll be covering all three types of openers and doors, but we'll be using the most common types of each for most of the instruction. Differences in installation will be discussed in detail. For this video, we'll be using chain drive openers and sectional doors as our primary examples. Now, review your manuals and answer the brief multiple choice test before continuing.